I rented 10,000 rupees a night hotel room. I rented a 1,800 rupees a night hotel room. And I also rented this 5,000 rupees a night hotel room and so much more. And I am going to spend the night in all of them, starting with the cheapest hotel in Siliguri. We just found one of the best budget hotels in Siliguri. Welcome back to KC46, and this stay costs only 1,800 rupees per night. This is the Executive Inn Hotel on Sevok Road, just around 15 minutes from NJP railway station, about 30 minutes from Bagdogra Airport, and roughly 10 minutes from the main Tenzing Norgay bus terminus, making it super convenient for travelers. Step inside and you'll get a comfortable room. Plus a clean and well-maintained washroom that makes the stay feel even better. Great location, solid comfort, and excellent value for money. If you're visiting Siliguri, this hotel deserves a spot on your list. Now, we're checking into Hotel Park Point in New Diga, and this place might surprise you. Located in the heart of the city, it's just a 5-minute walk from New Diga Beach, around 400 meters from Diga railway station, and about 200 meters from New Diga bus terminus, making travel super convenient. Room is clean, spacious, fully air-conditioned, and perfect for families or couples looking for a comfortable stay. The washroom is neat, modern, and well-maintained. And the best part? You can enjoy all this for just 1,900 rupees per night, making it a great value for money option. We got this amazing hotel in Darjeeling for just 2,500 rupees per night. Welcome to Sumitel Hotel. The moment you enter the room, it feels clean, spacious, and super comfortable. Amazing view from window. Perfect after a long mountain journey. And check out the washroom. Modern, spotless, and well-maintained with everything you need for a relaxing stay. This hotel is only 400 meters from the famous Mall Road, so you can simply walk to Darjeeling's most popular shopping and 75 kilometers by road from Siliguri. Can you believe this? We got this amazing stay at Summit Norling Resort and Spa in Gangtok for just 3,000 rupees per night. Let's check it out. The moment you enter the property, you're welcomed by lush greenery, peaceful mountain vibes, and a refreshing natural atmosphere that instantly makes you forget the busy city life. And a compact gym here, perfect if you want to squeeze in a quick workout before heading out to explore Sikkim. Now let's see the room. Wow! It's spacious, neat, and super cozy with elegant interiors that give you a premium mountain resort experience. Everything is well arranged and designed for a comfortable stay. The washroom is equally impressive, modern, sparkling clean, and equipped with all the essentials you need for a relaxing trip. But the real highlight? The balcony. Step outside and you're greeted with breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and nature. Due to night check-in, I can show you only lighting in the garden. It's the kind of place where you'll want to enjoy your morning tea while soaking in the fresh mountain air. Location-wise, this resort is around 5.2 kilometers from the main Gangtok city and approximately 75 kilometers from Siliguri by road. This luxury hotel in Bhubaneswar starts at just 5,500 rupees per night. The reception looks absolutely stunning. Modern lighting, elegant decor, premium vibes everywhere. Come on, let's check out the room. Wow! Sleek interiors, stylish furniture, and a super clean setup that instantly makes you want to stay another night. Now, look out the window. You get an amazing view of the Puri-Bhubaneswar highway with non-stop movement below, making the whole scene feel alive day and night. Think that's impressive? Wait until you see the washroom. It's sparkling clean, packed with luxury fittings and finished with a premium design that feels straight out of a 5-star resort. And for fitness lovers, this hotel has a seriously modern gym. From cardio machines to strength equipment, everything is ready for an energizing workout. Now comes one of the best surprises, the complimentary breakfast. The restaurant serves an incredible spread with Indian classics, fresh fruits, bakery items, eggs, cereals, juices, and plenty more. You could easily spend half your morning just deciding what to eat. But we're not done yet. Head upstairs to the ultra-modern swimming pool and the view is incredible. Relax in the water while enjoying a sweeping look at the road and city around you. It's the perfect place for photos, videos, or simply unwinding after a long day. And here's the travel bonus. If you're visiting Puri, this hotel is only about 64 kilometers away by road, making it a fantastic luxury base for your Odisha adventure. This luxury hotel in Siliguri cost around 10,000 rupees per night. But is it actually worth the money? Let's find out. The moment you walk into the room at Courtyard by Marriott Siliguri, it feels like stepping into pure comfort. Look at this. A plush king-size bed, stylish interiors, elegant lighting, a spacious work desk, high-speed Wi-Fi, a smart TV, tea and coffee making facilities, and premium furnishings that instantly give off luxury vibes. Check out this washroom. It's spotless, beautifully designed and loaded with upscale amenities. From the sleek marble finish and large mirror to the premium toiletries and refreshing shower space, everything feels polished and high-end. Now come over to the window. The view is incredible. Right outside, you can watch the busy national highway stretching into the distance with a constant flow of traffic. The hotel's luxurious restaurant offers a sophisticated dining experience with elegant seating, warm ambience, and an impressive selection of dishes. Whether you're in the mood for Indian favorites, international cuisine, freshly prepared desserts, or a hearty breakfast, the menu is crafted to satisfy every kind of traveler. It's the perfect place to relax after a long day of exploring. If you enjoyed this hotel tour, smash that like button, subscribe for more incredible travel experiences, and drop a comment telling me which luxury hotel I should explore next. Until then, keep traveling, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next epic adventure.